Hello, in this video we will determine the values of slope or the coefficient of the LINEST function, where we have LINEST data y and data x. Here we have the slope and the y-intercept. Now, we're going to solve for this using the Penrose matrix pseudo inverse. So first we fill up this 1x matrix, and after that we transpose it and multiply it by itself, do a mean verse, and the mean verse we multiply it to itself, its transpose, to derive the Penrose matrix pseudo inverse. So let's start with the 1x matrix, which is equal to our array formula of this range. Then we transpose. Now that we have the transpose, we multiply the transpose with itself. Now we have a square matrix. Now that we have a square matrix, we invert it with the mean verse function. Now that we have the mean verse, that mean verse we multiply it to the transpose to get the Penrose matrix pseudo inverse, which is the pseudo inverse. So we have this mean verse and the transpose. This is the Penrose mean verse or pseudo matrix or pseudo inverse, which we can multiply directly to the y values to get the values of the coefficient. So we multiply this . Directly to the y values. And we have the coefficients, where we have the intercept and the slope. Now we can also calculate the rows, which is the population. We have rows of the range. So 9, variance of population x, and from here we can use this formula where you have this equal to square and multiply with the population or the variance. This value can be determined using the determinant of this matrix. The covariance of y and x is data y and data x. Enter. The covariance value can be used to calculate the slope. So we have here covariance. This is equal to the covariance divided by the variance. of the population. The slope is 1.997, which matches to our LINEST output and also the matrix operations.